I told you I wrote a blog, and then all of a sudden I got a call from Steve Forbes' office, and I was chapter 1 in his book Successonomics a few years ago. So I'm going to tell you the 12 steps I had written that I originally wrote to my nephew, and it just made history really because I had a speech about it in New York, and Steve Forbes was there, we took pictures, etc. So I want to give you, is it okay to give you the 12 steps to financial freedom, if you will? I call them not just financial freedom, but really success in life. Step number 1, get some education. You got to have the education, that's the first thing. If you don't get trainings, if you don't get education, you're not going to get far in life. I can tell you that. Some people try to wing it. You need education. The more education you have, the better off you're going to be. And I know some of you will tell me, Cherif, I went to college, I studied X, but I'm doing something else. But let me assure you that the college experience alone and being in that environment helps you think in a certain way. It does help you a great deal. Now, what kind of education? There are 3 types of educations. There is what I call the academic. There is the professional, like you're going to be a doctor, a chiropractor, a dentist, an attorney, etc., 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 broker. And then there is the financial education. Now, in my opinion, financial education is best taken through these seminars. Not just mine, go to anybody else's. Because in a short period of time, you get more data of what works and what doesn't in a very succinct, fast way. Read, observe, ask.